Hi, Ivan here. Today we're going to solve migratory birds. Given an array of bird sightings where every element represents a bird type ID, determine the ID of the most frequently sighted type. If more than one type has been spotted that maximum amount, return the smallest of their IDs. Let's see an example here. Let's say the bird is 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3. There are two each of types 1 and 2, and one sightings of type 3. Pick the lower of two types seen twice, which is type 1. Let's jump to the explanation here. The key points. Per type with biggest frequency must be returned. If there are some times with biggest frequency, the least type must be returned. So our strategy is we will kind of get the bird frequencies and return the type which has biggest frequencies with least type. So the arrange we are going to make a hash map frequency. We will gonna store the frequency of its type here. The key is the type and the value is the frequency. Where in the initialization is the element, the first element with one frequency, and the first element we will going to consider as our consider bird. Next, we will gonna iterate through all array elements after the first element, because the first element will just assign first at the arrange variables. Then in the iteration, we will going to take the current element as the current bird here. Then we will gonna add the frequency for the current type of bird. Then we will gonna check if the frequency of current bird is greater than the frequency of the considered bird here. We will gonna update the bird with the current bird, or the frequency of the current bird is equal to the frequency of the considered bird, and the current bird, the type, is less than the bird, considered bird here. We also update the bird here. Then in the end, we will gonna return the bird. Let's write it in the code in here. We will going to make a hash map with array first element as an init in here, and the bird itself. Then we will gonna iterate from index 1 until all the array elements. Here we are going to take the current, sorry, here we're gonna take the current elements. Then we will add the frequency with 1 here. Then we're gonna check if frac of current is greater than frac of bird, or the frac of current is equal to the frac of bird, and current is less than bird. We will gonna assign the bird with current bird in here. Then in the end we will gonna return bird. Let's run the code. It passed the first test case, and it passed all the test case. That's all. If you have any questions or better solutions, write down in the comment section below. Thanks.